Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Torrential Slide was made to resolve the issues of adaptability and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of only a handful of exceptional blockchain stages that considers really decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a practical contender to Ethereum. Torrential Slide was established by 3 PhD moves on from Cornell University. The Avalanche convention depends on research directed by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to at the same time accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is Avalanche, AVAX? Torrential Slide is a Layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for conveyed applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals tries to remove Ethereum as the most generally utilized blockchain for savvy contracts. While keeping up with versatility, it plans to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. Torrential Slide, AVAX, Fundamental Analysis. Torrential Slide is a cutting-edge stage for decentralized finance, DeFi, and installments. Its fundamental point is to make these exchanges safer, proficient, and open to everybody. The Avalanche network is based on 3 points of support: security, strength, and decentralization. It utilizes state-of-the-art advances, for example, agreement conventions and cryptography to accomplish its objectives. Up until this point, the stage has been exceptionally fruitful in drawing in clients and engineers. As a matter of fact, it is one of the quickest developing DeFi stages with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its savvy contracts. There are a few justifications for why Avalanche could be a wise venture. First, the group behind the task is extremely capable and has major areas of strength for a record in their business. Second, the stage is continually developing and adding new highlights that make it more appealing to clients. Third, Avalanche major areas of strength for has with probably the greatest names in the crypto space, which provides it with a ton of perceivability and dependability. The Avalanche network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the Federated Byzantine Agreement, FBA. FBA is a sort of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS. Torrential Slide likewise has a one-of-a-kind component called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain, free of the others. This implies that every hub can modify its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes Avalanche more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains, since every hub isn't restricted by the standards of the whole organization. Torrential Slide, AVAX, current price. Torrential Slide is as of now worth $19.21. Avax has moved 2.74% as of now with an exchanging volume of $655,846,742. Torrential Slide is as of now positioned 316 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $5,475,514,583. Torrential Slide, AVAX, price prediction 2022. Torrential Slide, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. AVAX. The Avax cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $28.81. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $26.89 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Avax is supposed to have a base worth of $23.05. Torrential Slide, AVAX, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Avalanche Avax cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Avax will before long outperform $48.01. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Avax's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Avax will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $38.41 and a typical exchanging cost of $42.25. Torrential slide, AVAX, price prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $67.22 and VIX might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Avax is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $61.46 and a low of $57.62 in 2024. Torrential slide, AVAX, price prediction 2025. Assuming that Avalanche effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the Avax coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Avax will be green in 2025. The Avax is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $86.42, with a base cost of $76.82 and a typical cost of $80.66. Torrential slide, AVAX, price prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Avax cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $99.87 by 2026, with a base cost of $96.03 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Avax has a most extreme value worth of $105.63. Torrential slide, AVAX, price prediction 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $119.07. On the off chance that Avax figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $124.83. Neglecting to accumulate the help Avax needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $115.23. Torrential slide, AVAX, price prediction 2028. While Avax is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $134.44 and a yearly cost close